Enterprises worldwide are asking the same question: how can data and AI drive real business transformation? At Office Solution AI Labs, we're turning that question into results at scale. We are Office Solution AI Labs, a global innovation powerhouse with offices in 6 countries, led by seasoned experts from McKinsey and BCG. Our team combines strategy and technology to deliver enterprise solutions that redefine decision making. With over 40 Microsoft certified products and 6 cutting edge generative AI solutions, let's talk about each product one by one. Pulse Convert, and Gen AI-based accelerator which migrates Tableau dashboard to Power BI with greater than 90% accuracy in 10 minutes. Decision Pulse AI, and generative BI solution which works like McKinsey, BCG or Bain consultant. Magic Grid, an approval workflow-based write back and report burst solution for Power BI. Pulse QAA, AI-driven software testing assistant that automates test creation, validation, and reporting, cutting QA cycles by half. GenFlow, GenAI-based ETL, the next-gen AI ETL platform design, validate, and process data pipelines in real time with natural language commands. DAX Optimizer, an intelligent assistant for Power BI developers, auto-optimizing DAX queries for peak performance and scalability. We help enterprises unlock the full potential of their data. From AI-powered BI tools to automated ETL and data migration platforms to prescriptive analytics engines, our portfolio is built for transformation. Our solutions go beyond analytics. They predict, prescribe, and accelerate growth. Whether it's improving forecasting accuracy, optimizing revenue, or enabling real-time decision-making, AI Labs delivers measurable impact. We are an implementation partner of 20+ major platforms, including leaders across FMCG, healthcare, and finance. Our solutions are tested, trusted, and driving real results for enterprises worldwide. For our clients, we provide smarter tools for smarter decisions. For our investors, we offer a high-growth opportunity backed by proven adoption, global scalability, and a leadership team with world-class strategy expertise. The future of enterprise AI is already here. Join us at Office Solution AI Labs, where innovation meets execution and data powers transformation.